Hello friends, and welcome back to another episode from Annie's Arms. This video is going to be the first in a series where we talk about the engineering decision making that I've taken for selecting the products that I use to clean and lubricate my firearms. If you've ever had the thought, why should I buy product A over product B, and why does a 4-ounce bottle of CLP cost $20, I think this series will be for you. If you are thinking this topic's been discussed at depth already, and why should I watch one more video, I would argue it's been discussed at length, but it's only gone ankle deep. The personalities that have covered it normally talk about the marketing claims that you can read on the manufacturer's website. What I'm trying to do is go knee or even waist deep and discuss the chemistry, application, and formulation of some commercial products and how they may be equal to, worse than, or just different than the firearm-specific lubricants we are all used to. At this point, you may be asking yourself, who is the man behind the curtain? Well, my name is Brian, I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, and I slept at a Holiday Inn last night. Like many of you, my hobbies revolve around cars, engines, airplanes, and obviously firearms. Despite having changed the oil in hundreds of cars, built dozens of engines, and worked on dozens of aircraft, I will admit I never understood the difference between premium lubricants and economy lubricants. I used what was given to me, what was spelled out in the manual, and what I bought based on the marketing. But a little over a year and a half ago, I wanted that to change. I wanted to understand the products I was using, and was I getting the performance I was paying for, or was I cheating myself? I began this journey with this book, The Chemistry and Technology of Lubricants. 550 wonderful pages that covers the chemistry, the formulation, and additives of hydraulic oils, engine oils, gear oils, aviation oils, and even vegetable oils. I then picked up the NLGI Grease Guide, which is another 200 pages focused on the chemistry, the formulation, and application of grease. I've also done a dozen used oil samples on my personal vehicles and had some really good conversations with engineers in the lubrication space. So with this new education, I started to question the firearms lubricants and products that I had been using for years. What was I really getting in this 4-ounce bottle for $20, and was it worth it? I started applying what I learned and began looking into commercially available lubricants. My goal was to identify products with an advantageous chemistry and formulation for an application of a firearm in the civilian space. I've now been using some of these products for a little over a year, and I've been very pleased with their performance. In this video series, I'll be talking about the oils, greases, and CLPs that I've examined. I'll be talking about many of the commercially available lubricants that you may be using and why those chemistries and formulations may be good or bad. My goal is to educate you in the hopes that you can be a smarter consumer. If that sounds interesting, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Thanks again for watching, and check out my website, Annie's Arms, for the products that we offer. Bye.